So it's finally the time that you should not buy an iPhone right now, as the Apple has just made official for the iPhone 15 series, as it will be getting launched in September 12th, which is less than 2 weeks of time away, and we have a specifically curated Apple logo for this event, and Apple is teasing some of its new features. First up, you notice that the color of the Apple logo is very much in line with you see in the Apple 15 iPhone 15 Pro. And we are also going to see a dark blue, Titan grey silver and a space black model, which I'm gonna say this is one of my favorite color. Apart from that, the phone will also you be getting an Easter egg with a fading brush effect on the Apple logo, which is just like the teaser for the titanium build which we were waiting for an iPhone 15 Pro C models. Now also what you'll be getting with this around is that of course the USB-C onboard, and the Apple is indeed going to put out in all of its smartphones, and this phone this time around the iPhone 15 Pro will be getting a USB 4 Gen 2, whereas it means it is the fastest one for the data transfer speed. So it is going to get a tough competition to the Galaxy S23 Ultra along the lines. Now with the USB-C, you will also be getting a fast charging support of up to 35 watts with the Pro models, and the normal 15 models are going to be stay with the slower charging speeds. But also you'll be getting a slimmer bezels on the iPhone this time around, and yes, it's finally happening that proper periscopic zoom camera is coming to Apple's flagship smartphone. And it is compared to be there's also possibility that it will be $100 price increase for the iPhone 15 Pro and the 15 Pro Max. Now recently we've also seen an actual USB-C cable in the box, and the iPhone 15 lineup is going to be coming this time around with the highly braided USB-C cable, and it's also be matching the color of the phone which you are going to buy for your next iPhone. And not only that, the biggest battery upgrades are also coming to the iPhone, especially with the combination of the Apple's A17 Bionic chip, which is built on the 3nm processor TSMC process, and it's one of the most efficient processor which you can buy then. Right now the pre-orders will be available, and it will be starting along the lines of the to 12th of September itself, but the phone will be available in stores till 22nd. So right now it's not the right time to buy a new iPhone for yourself, so do hold back. And also the Flipkart Big Billion Day sale is coming, so also do wait for that as well if you are planning to buy an iPhone at urgent, as there are going to be some major price cuts in the upcoming iPhones. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, do consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us.